Hi, my name is Prema. I'm HR from CAD NEST Private Limited. Firstly, I'll tell about our CAD NEST Private Limited. It is a training institute. So we have 8 branches in the Bangalore, and we have 450 plus courses. Okay, we offer the courses and we assist them in placement. Coming to the job fair today I have attended in BGS college. Actually, the profiles which I got is more effective. I have shortlisted many people, and I was so busy since morning and I didn't get the time to count, so that's the reason I couldn't give you the exact number, but I have shortlisted most of them. 60% I have shortlisted, and then it's a good opportunity for the job seekers and as well as the HRs from the company, because we do get a suitable candidates here. And a big thanks to the BGS and for the organizers and all the voluntary people. Thank you.